Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the virtual app, how to connect with strangers and interact with them to improve our communication skills. On so let's see what's the app. So basically, I'm suggest this peer up app, which is you can download through Play Store, or if you want, I will pin the link in the comment section. So let's sign up with your mobile number. Applied on that. It's very free of cost. So after sign up, it will be asking some permissions. You can go through that, and there was a streak. It was I already installed this. Don't accept anything. First, you have to set up this. I already sign up. Like you given your name or your gender, like male or female, and what is your age. This will ask some particular things. After that, it will be asking what are the professions you are interested in, like working or designing or schooling, college, like that. You can give what is suitable for you, and technology, what are the interested topics you are interested. So with this will connect through that same qualities which the another users or strangers, it will selected that. So bro, stop that. So after that you can select that location and your mother tongue. Then you can make a call. You want female friends or male friends or higher levels. You can choose that. According to that, you have to a premium. You have to buy the premium. So start normal call like that by searching. Speak with only, not to violate the rules.
Hello.
Hi, hi Dilip.
Rahul Bhaiya.
Yeah, yeah Dilip. How are you?
I am fine. How are you?
I'm also good, bro. Oh, you are from Telangana.
Okay. Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. Oh, okay. You are currently staying in Telangana.
Oh no. We are living in only Andhra Pradesh only.
Okay, okay. Oh,
Okay.
what are you doing, Dilip? You are studying or searching?